In a quiet village, there lived a poor farmer. His name was Tom. Tom lived in a small house at the edge of the village. The house was old, but it was clean and simple. Every day, Tom woke up very early. He woke up before the sun rose. The air was cool and peaceful. He washed his face and prepared for work. Then he walked slowly to his field. Tom worked very hard. He worked under the hot sun. He worked even when he felt tired. His clothes were old and worn. His shoes were dusty, but he never complained. Tom was known for one special thing. He was always honest. He never lied. He never cheated. He never took anything that was not his. People trusted him. They respected him. One day, the sun was very bright. The ground was dry and hard. Tom was working in his field. He was digging the soil carefully. Suddenly, his tool hit something hard. He stopped immediately. He looked down with curiosity. After some time, he found something. It was a small wooden box. The box was old. It was covered in dust. He held the box in his hands. His heart beat a little faster. Slowly, he opened the box. Inside the box, there was gold. Many shiny gold coins filled the box. The coins sparkled in the sunlight. They looked bright and beautiful. Tom was shocked. He had never seen so much gold before. He sat quietly for a moment. He looked at the gold again and again. A thought came into his mind. This gold could change his life. He could repair his house. He could buy new clothes. He could buy more land. He could live a comfortable life. For a moment, Tom felt tempted. But then, he took a deep breath. Another thought came into his mind. This gold does not belong to me. Tom closed the box slowly. He stood up and looked at the sky. He made a decision. He would find the real owner. Tom carried the box carefully. He walked back to the village. On the way, some people saw him. They noticed the box in his hands. They asked him questions. They wanted to know what he found. Tom told them the truth. He did not hide anything. People were surprised. Some people were impressed. But some people spoke differently. They told Tom to keep the gold. They said no one would ever know. Tom listened quietly. Then he shook his head. He knew what was right. He walked straight to the village head. The village head was an old and wise man. He listened carefully to Tom's story. Tom showed him the box of gold. He explained everything honestly. The village head smiled gently. He was proud of Tom. He decided to help find the owner. He made an announcement in the village. Soon, everyone heard the news. A box of lost gold had been found. People gathered and talked about it. After some time, a rich merchant came forward. He looked worried and tired. He said that he had lost a box of gold. He described the box in detail. The village head asked him questions. The merchant answered correctly. It was clear that the gold belonged to him. The box was returned to the merchant. The merchant felt great relief. He was very happy. He thanked Tom again and again. He could not believe Tom's honesty. As a reward, he offered gold coins to Tom. At first, Tom refused politely. He did not expect any reward. But the village head advised him kindly. He told Tom to accept a small gift. Tom agreed. He accepted only a few coins. With that money, Tom repaired his house. He bought better tools for his work. But he did not change his simple life. He remained humble and hard-working. His happiness did not come from gold. It came from doing the right thing. And his honesty brought him peace, respect, and a good name.